It's Miss Nicole H again from the South Fayette Township Library, and I'm going to show you how to make some homemade play clay from ingredients that you have at home. Hi, first you need 1.5 cups of cornstarch, 1 tablespoon of white vinegar, 1 tablespoon of baby oil, and then you're going to do 1 teaspoon of lotion, any kind of lotion, and then mix really well. Now this took a lot longer, it's sped up. Then you add 1 cup of glue. I use the clear glue. The recipe calls for white glue, but I think either kind will work for you. And then you need to really mix it well. Now one of the things that I discovered was that this took a very long time to mix it up until it was smooth. Then it said to coat your hands with lotion and then continue mixing it well with your fingers. But it was really goopy. It really coated up my fingers a lot. I added some more cornstarch, and then I added more cornstarch, and I probably ended up with about 2 cups, maybe a little more than that even, of the cornstarch before I had enough of the flour in there to thicken it to where it was actually a clay consistency. It really took a long time to make this. And then you need to store it in a sealed container until it's ready to use.